everybody! I'm here today to tell you about a driving safety trick that will make you an incredible driver. That's right. This driving safety trick will make you an incredible driver. And it's something that is so simple, and you can integrate it into all of your driving situations. And it will make you an incredible driver, a safe driver, a better driver. Let's get right into it. Here's the trick. I'm not even going to beat around the bush. The trick is to leave a space cushion around your car at all times, okay? Now, let me go through the various situations that you can be in as a driver and why it's beneficial to leave a space cushion in each of those situations. So first of all, when you park your car, it's beneficial to leave a space cushion because there's less of a chance that your car will get dinged or damaged by another car, okay, or scraped. Now by space cushion, I just mean some space all around your car. The front, the back, the right side, the left side. So when you park, it's beneficial to leave a space cushion because your car is less likely to get damaged. And it's especially important because when you're parking your car, you're out of your car. So if someone damages your car, we all hear the stories where people will hit their door against another car and then they just drive away. You don't want to be in that situation because you don't know what happened. You come back and your car has a scrape on it. You don't want to be in that situation. Now, when you're driving, when you're in motion, it's also beneficial to leave a space cushion in that situation because it gives you room to move. So a space cushion in front of your car is extremely important. That is your following distance, okay? If you leave too small of a space in front of your car, then if the person in front of you slams on their brakes and you don't react like a tiger, then you know what? You're probably going to rear end them, which is unsafe for everyone. Okay, so obviously, space cushion at the front is your following distance. It's very important. But also, a space cushion at the back. You don't want anyone following you too closely. If they are, you want to take the appropriate measures to sort of get out of their way and get in front of someone that it will not be following you too closely. And also on either side, because let's say I have a space cushion on both sides of my car, and the person to the left of me decides to sort of swerve towards my car. Well, I can move a little bit to the right because that is I have that space, right? I have that space around me. Now, lastly, this is the last situation in which it's important to leave a space cushion, and it's probably the most important, but people use it the least frequently, okay? Because everyone leaves a space cushion when they park. Everyone leaves a space cushion when they're actually driving all around. Sorry about that, I knew that person over there. When they're driving in motion. But when you are stopped at a red light, this is very important to leave a space cushion in this situation, but not enough people do it. Now, let me fully explain myself, because if you don't do this, then you really should, and I'm going to tell you exactly why. So basically, when you're parked, okay, when you're stopped at a red light, okay, a lot of people will just go, whatever, like a foot towards, like there's only a foot between their car and the car in front of them, and that's not good. I'll tell you why. You might be sitting at a red light and you check your rear view mirror and all of a sudden you're like, wait a second, that guy's gonna rear end me, right? And if you don't have a space cushion, you just basically brace for impact. You just kind of hold the wheel and you wait to get rear-ended. But if you have that space cushion, let's say the person behind you only needs like an extra foot of stopping distance in order to stop safely. Well, you can move forward that foot because you have like 6 feet in front of you, right? And you can move forward 2 feet, 3 feet, and then you won't get rear-ended. Or if you're about to get rear-ended, you might be able to move to the next lane because you have enough cushion around you. Or if there's an emergency vehicle approaching from behind and you're too close to the car in front of you, or you're too close to the car beside you, you don't have any room to move. But if you leave a space cushion, you can all of a sudden make a decision. Like, here's the thing. It basically gives you options. When you don't have a space cushion around your car, you don't have options. You don't have a choice on what to do. You're stuck there. But if you have a space cushion around your car, whether your car's in motion or you're at a red light or you're parking, whatever the case is, you're going to have options for what you can do. And it's as simple as that. It leaves you with options to be safe as a driver. And that's it. That is the safety trick that will make you an incredible driver. Please leave a space cushion around your car. If you like If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. I almost messed that one up at the end. I do this so many times, but still, you know, sometimes it just slips your mind. Let's get right to it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below. below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.